Hey everyone, you reach E3 Teacher's Pet, where I love on teachers. So today you're in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I prepare for my week, health and wellness. One of the best things you can do for yourself is take care of you. I always say you have to love you to be able to love anybody else, and you have to be healthy. So with that being said, I've got celery, kale, turmeric, ginger, apples, and I've got the cucumbers, lemon, and lime. Okay, so we're gonna chop these up. I'll blend some for 2 days, then I'll chop some up and put in the freezer bag for you. I'll show you the beginning product as I'm chopping. Also show you the end product, how I've had the freezer bag, and I have the juice, the smoothie made for me to drink on. Okay, that smoothie is gonna be infused with all the rich minerals and vitamins from all these different fruits and vegetables, and to help me be the best I can be in and out of the classroom. So here we go. All right, now we're back. It's all been ground down a little bit, so now I'm gonna put a little more kale in there. You know, probably put a little more water too. We'll put a little more kale. Make sure it's nice and clean. Need nasty stuff. You gotta make sure all this stuff is organic, so you gotta make sure it stays really nice and gets really nice and clean when you wash it off. Because if not, it can be icky. But that's why we like it, because it's healthy, nice and organic for us. Chop it down a little bit, a little green for me, because I like it extra green. So I'll put a little more water in here. Again, there's no scientific method, 3 leaves, 4 leaves, 5 leaves. Just a little water. That makes it smooth, easy for it to go down. Go grind this thing back up again. You see how it's ground down? Got some more green stuff on top. We'll grind this thing down. While I grind this thing down, I'll probably chop the bags, and I'll show you how I store this. So now versus me having to keep chopping throughout the week, I'll just go grab a bag, let it sit out overnight, and then blend in the morning. It'll be ready to go. It'll be nice, cool. It won't be too cold, won't be too warm. It'll be ready to go and be ready to be drunk on that morning for me while I'm at work. Okay. All right, back E3, the Teacher's Pet, where I love on teachers. Now it's the health and wellness part 2, and so you've seen all my veggies and stuff are pretty much gone now. Chopped up most of the stuff, and you see I have a great delicious smoothie here. Got the containers I'm going to put it in, and I secured the bag. This is the bags right here. So I'll freeze these up, freeze them up for the week, and then now I just pull them out the next day, and I can just the next morning blend them up and then take it on to work, no problem. And that gives me pretty much a full-on veggie supreme right in the morning before lunch, and I've got all my veggies in me for the day. So that's really good fiber and other things that you need every day to fight off diseases and other illnesses that really get to us every day. But again, we'll save that for another show, and we'll talk about what we can do to fight different things by adding things to our smoothie. Okay, so what I want to do now is just show you, pour it out. Oh yeah. A little crunchy, but that's good. You want to have a little bite to it. You don't want it just to be smooth or just slide in your throat. You want to make it be crunchy a little bit, especially that good kale. Taste that ginger. Like I said, I love these smoothies. It helps me so much. It gets my day started off right. And I just want to share some of the things that I do. Now, what is something that you like to do? Remember, everything I do and share is about, yes, what I may have done to help me, but what can you do to help you? What is it like? What do you like in your smoothie? Everybody may not like ginger, turmeric, apples, or kale. But find some things, look the things up, look up the nutrients, and look at what's good for you, and then put in your diet every day. You know, and then you'll be set up for good health and other things in your life, and you'll just see the difference in your smile, your walk, your talk, your digestive system as well. Okay, I want to thank you all for, again, giving me some views, checking my station out. I'm just really elated about all the love I've been receiving from my YouTube channel. But really, it's not about love. It's really about you guys understanding I'm here to help and serve and work. So if you can learn something from this, let me know. If you want to share some ideas, please share. Email me, put in the comment sections. Again, E3 Teacher's Pet, where I love on teachers. Again, thank you again. Health and Wellness Part 2, Healthy Smoothie is good for you. And if you have any questions for me, you know where to find me. E3 Teacher's Pet, where I love on teachers.